Hello guys, and welcome back again to another WordPress tutorial. In this video I will be showing you how you can actually change the fav icon inside of your website. Basically the fav icon, it is the thing that will show up in your window app. For example, if you open Google, you will find the logo of Google. If you open Facebook, you will find the logo of Facebook, and the same thing goes for all the websites. And this will be also for your website. Of course, you will need your website to be known for a logo. So in this video I will be showing you how you can actually add a logo to your website next to your website name at the top of your window. Basically what you'll have to do first is go to dashboard of your website. If you don't have a website already, we've made like multiple tutorials about it: how to create websites, how to use this dashboard, how to use these sections and be familiar with them. We've done everything about them. So after you open the dashboard, first of all it will be something like that. Here you put your username and email address and then password. Then it will be open like so. So what you will have to do, of course, you can go to settings. You can change the name of your website in here. You can add a tagline. You can change whatever you like to. There is something in here. There's all these settings in here that might be maybe good for you to use. But what we care about now is actually changing the logo. So how we can actually change it? You go to website by going to visit website and then click on customize. After doing so, this page will be open for you. We don't care about anything of this. We just have to click on site identity. From here guys, there is the logo and there is the site icon. What we care about is the site icon. So here we click in here and we add a small icon. Of course you can't add a bigger icon, so you have to make it 512, 15, like 512, 512, and you can add a picture like that and it will be in your website. So after clicking on published, it will be at the top of your website. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and see you next tutorial. Bye bye.